वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं सावूद आनी भलायकीन. सो टुडे आय एम शोईंग यू ऑल piri piri masala or peri peri masala to make any type of dish with this, like piri piri chicken, piri piri pork, or piri piri prawns, or anything you can make out of this base masala. So this is a paste, okay, and for that we need, so this is bird eyes chilies, okay. So it is very spicy. It is also called peri peri chilies. So you get in supermarket. So I have taken 15 because I am making it in quantity. So it is 15 of this, and this is Kashmiri chilies to give color. So this is like 6 of Kashmiri chilies, onion shallots 3, garlic is 1 whole pod of garlic. So it's like 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, around 25. And these are ginger pieces, and this is like 1 teaspoon, actually it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 33 to 34 of peppercorns. Now this peri peri or piri piri masala has to be very spicy, and this I am making in quantity. So that's the reason, like, this is the quantity. But if you are going to use for your chicken, it depends upon how spicy you want. Accordingly you all do that. Then we need 1 tablespoon of this is fennel seeds, saunf, okay, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. So these things you need, okay, and these are Italian herbs. So if you don't get, you can use normal mixed herbs also, or you can use fresh one also. So let's grind this together. But before that, we will have to roast this peppercorn, this chilies, onion and garlic, and all this thing roast, and then we have to grind this. Okay, now if you don't want to roast, it's up to you, but better to roast and then grind it. So now we'll grind this to a fine paste. Add water, or you can add, if you want to preserve this for long, then you grind this with vinegar. But if you are going to make it instant, then you can add it with water and do it. So I will add water because I will be doing something out of this. Add salt little bit. So now here it is ready. And now we'll add this also to this. So whenever you are using, you can use according to your spiciness. तो रायस जो मसालो तयार जालो आणि तुमकां जो तुम्ही जितले तुमकां तिखट आवडटा तशेंच तुम्ही घालात, तशेंच तुम्ही घालात आणि कमी तिखट जाल्यार कमी घालात. सो ह्यो आमचो मसालो जावन आसा तयार डिश करपाक. ओके, एन्जॉय करात ह्यो मसालो करात आणि पिरी पिरी आमचो पिरी पिरी पेरी पेरी मसाला खूब तीख आसा, कित्याक त्यो पोर्तुगाल मिरसांग्यो म्हणटा पळय ते आमी रेड आयबर्ड चिलीज आसता पळय त्यो सारक्यो तिखट आसता. आणि तुमकां जर तर उणें घालूंक जाय त्यो मिरसांग्यो जाल्यार तुमच्यान 5य घालूं येता वा 10य घालूं येता, तुमचेर आसा. होप यू विल एन्जॉय दिस homemade masala paste and make your dish. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं.